I just received the package and I know what it is, but I think I need to clean a bit before that. Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. I just received the package. It is 9 in the morning, but I think I have to clean up a bit before installing all that. So here we go. So now that I clean up a bit of the clothes and a bit of the stuff, I will maybe make some space around here because this is where I'll put my desktop. Because yes, it's actually a desktop, and I haven't opened it yet. So I will maybe clean a bit here around here, clean a bit, leaving up some space and clean up the dust in my room because there is a lot of dust in my room. The package is literally too big. Look at the beast. The beast. Let's go. So there is like I think or the cables on the side here. So there is two part here. There is a PC and like a panel, a glass panel to see maybe to see like the specs, like the graphic card and the motherboard and all the RGBs that are in it. No, maybe I will take the panel first. Yeah. Here we Look at that. Let's go. Ooh. Guess what? Isn't it magnetic? Yeah. Ooh. So I think we'll continue that on the table. Kind of, I like this. I will say the minimalism. Not too, not too. I will say, not too PC gamer. It doesn't look. It looked like it. Actually, it looked like it, but it's not too. I will say too. Not too flashy. The beast. I need screwdrivers. Screws in the back. Here. I know it. I felt it earlier. Some mesh for the vents. Oh. Am I dumb? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. There is Tomahawk MSI motherboard, two DDR4 Fury Beast, 8 gigs of RAM, two 8 gigs of RAM, which is 16 gigs of RAM, with 4 slots if I want to upgrade it. There is a GeForce RTX 3050 or 3060, I think. I'm not sure. MSI. 500 gigabytes of SSD Kingston, and I think 1 terabyte of HDD. Samsung, if I'm not wrong. Samsung. Yeah, like I will say a good PC for me. So it's time to maybe turn it on. No. Actually, I have to show you the cables. Okay. Fox Spirit for Mr. Fox. What is that? I don't know. But I will follow the tutorial. warranty if someone interested. The power cord. So right now, I try putting things together. I think I don't need to. I hope, because it being pre-made, it was pre-built. So let's go, and I think it doesn't blow. I hope it doesn't blow up. Damn. So the on button. Now let's turn it on. So I have managed to acquire a monitor. It's my home monitor. So I will try to light it and to connect it to the PC to see if it works. If it doesn't have some issues, and if it's good, and to have a proper experience. Yes. Plug it. I think I will try to maybe keep this monitor, because I think for me it can be good. Actually, it is great, but I don't have what it takes to plug it. Yes. So after approximately 10 hours of waiting, I bought a DisplayPort, because in shops I've been around my home, there weren't any, so I bought one from Amazon, and I just got it now. So now it's time to try the desktop. So I took out the aluminum panel, and I replaced it with the glass panel, which was included in the box. So I changed it to like a more clear look to be able to see the components when it's light up. So everything is plugged: the monitor, the gaming PC, and my gears. So it's time to light it up. Ooh. Ooh. Detecting something. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. So I've been trying to light it up, and it's working actually. As you can see, we have like good image and everything like that. We can see it has some good quality for me. I tried to test it a little bit, and like you can see, I played a little bit of Minecraft. I enjoyed it, and I will say that for me it is like one of the best desktop I had because of the RTX 3060 and the specs, the other specs. So before I quit you guys, let's see a little showcase. So that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. It is the first time I try to do a video like this, kind of an unboxing. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I will really like it. If you have advice, please tell me in the comment section. I will be glad to read them. And voila, I hope you enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.